What still makes you mad? What still makes you want to just jump up and rip your coat off, and what makes you passionate?
I think the thing that really upsets me is this loss of mutual agreement that we used to have in the workplace. It used to be, I will come to work for you, I will work hard for you, I will give you the majority of my day, my life, I will think about you and your company, and I will be a good worker. I will work for you 20 years, or 25 or 30 years, the most productive time of my life. I will work for you. In return, you will treat me fairly, you will give me a retirement, you will give me health benefits, and I'll get a gold watch, and I'll be proud of what I did, and you'll be proud of me. That's the old contract. It doesn't exist anymore. You give an employer 12, 13, 14, 15 years of your life, and all of a sudden they look sideways at you and go, oh, that's old, what's his name? Oh, that's her. We got to get rid of them because we can pay younger people less money. We don't have to give them benefits. We don't have to worry about the fact that now they're using their health insurance, which they haven't used for 20 years because they've been healthy. So the second you need the other side of that contract, they cop out and break the deal. So it's not a contract anymore. You give and give and give, and then they drop you like a hot rock. I can't stand that. It is so outrageous and so unfair.
When you was chasing cars for tokes, did you dream of being in a position someday to be able to take on those kind of things?
I am the luckiest lawyer alive. I have a solo practice, which means I can do whatever I want. And you know, I have just about done everything that I have wanted to do. The Judas Priest case is a great example. Took on CBS Records and Sony Entertainment over lyrics and music that we believed caused kids to kill themselves. Didn't win the case in front of a court, but we got into a courtroom. We made national and international headlines. And you know what? They changed their ways. Okay? I've gotten, and this is just funny, but to me, I'm very proud of it, the Pioneer Theater downtown.
Yes.
For 10 years, they knew they weren't in compliance with the number of women restroom facilities. They knew it. They were out of legal compliance. And they talked about it every year. Well, we're going to do something about that, but it costs money. And I went down there to a concert, to a show, and I saw those women in their beautiful gowns and their jewelry and their makeup and their hairstyle, and they were standing in line with their knees together, waiting their turn for a half an hour to get into the restroom facilities that were inadequate. We filed a lawsuit, and within 30 days, they agreed to build more restroom facilities. Now, why did it take 10 years, and why did it take me to sue them? But I'm proud I was the one that did that. The Highway Patrol case, what a great case. $500,000 verdict against the Highway Patrol for sexual harassment. And when I took that case, those other guys on the other side and that Highway Patrol said, you will never, ever win this case because we're the Highway Patrol and people respect us and they will never, ever give you a jury verdict. Well, you know what? A jury listened to my client's story, Mary Howard, and in the end, they said, you guys are bad.